Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Padma, where we make cooking a delightful experience. Today, we're preparing a classic Indian dessert that's loved by all, Pal Payasam, also known as Kheer. Let's get started. We'll start by taking 2 liters of full cream milk in a deep pot and bringing it to a boil. Keep stirring occasionally to avoid it sticking to the bottom. Next, I have 1 cup of basmati rice, washed thoroughly. Cook this in a pressure cooker for 2 whistles. This ensures the rice is soft and ready to blend with our milk. Now that the milk is boiling and the rice is cooked, we'll add the rice to the milk. Stir well and let it simmer on low heat for 20 minutes. This allows the rice to absorb all the creamy goodness of the milk. Time to make it rich and nutty. Add 1/2 cup of crushed almonds and 1/2 cup of crushed cashews to the simmering kheer. You can add any dry fruits you like. Cook it for another 20 minutes on medium heat. Let it boil for another 10 minutes until the kheer reduces to half its original quantity. This step gives it a thick, luscious consistency. Now, let's sweeten it up. Add 1 cup of sugar. And 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it well, and you'll notice the incredible aroma filling your kitchen. For the final touch, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a small kadaih. Add 1/2 cup of cashews and roast until golden brown. Then, add 1/2 cup of raisins and sauté until they puff up. Pour this fragrant mixture over the kheer. And there you have it, rich, creamy Pal Payasam that's perfect for any celebration or just to satisfy your sweet cravings. Try this recipe at home and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!